Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Sarah. In this video, I would like to show you how you can add the super trend indicator into the Abbado chart. Okay, so here's how it is done. The first thing you want to do is obviously come to the chart here. I suppose you know how to do that. If you don't, then I'll just show you quickly. Okay, so to get to this place, let me just assume I am. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Google. Okay, and then we're gonna search for Abbado. Okay, Abbado, Abbado.com actually. And then this is it. This is the first thing you want to click, and then you just want to go to login. Once you log in, you'll be brought to this page here. Okay, and now what you want to do, okay, what you want to do now is to search for your account. Okay, this is just a practice account that I'm using, but the first thing you want to do here is select the account that you would like to trade with. Okay, so you can basically click there. Let's say, for example, you see I have multiple accounts here, okay, for practicing purposes. Now, if I want to use this account that says demo 2, I need to click on access platform. Okay, so you click on access platform, and then you'll be directed to the place where you can trade. So this is exactly where you can trade and all that. Okay, so now we can see the indicator is actually not in the chart right now. Okay, we have to add it to this chart. To do that, we want to click up here where it says indicators. Click on that, and then we want to click on indicator store. Okay, and then next thing we want to search for it. Okay, search for super. Just type super here on the search bar, and then click the search bar. And then after that, you want to click here. This is super trend. Okay, so click on it. For me, it's already installed. Okay, but I'm going to uninstall it so you can just see how it works. Okay, so I just uninstalled it. All right, so now we're going to just install it. So you want to click on install. Okay, and then you want to click OK. Okay, perfect. Now let's just get out of this page here by clicking X. So now the indicator has been installed. The next thing we want to do here is to activate it to the chart. Okay, so we're going to go back to indicators again. This time we want to select on trend. Okay, now on this drop down menu here on the right, you will see here at the bottom, that's the indicator super trend. Click on it. Now on this page here, okay, just leave everything the way it is. The settings, okay, just leave everything the way it is. You don't need to change anything. Okay, now just click on apply. Perfect. So once you do that, you should now have the indicator to your chart. Okay, so you can see this is a super trend indicator right now. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. Now you have the super trend indicator added to your chart. Now to learn how this works, okay, how to use the super trend indicator, make sure you watch my other video. I do have a video on how to use the super trend indicator, and I will include it in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. All right. Okay, guys, take care. Make sure you like, subscribe for more tutorials on how to trade on Abbado and more educational video on trading Forex and cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.